When you collect a payment outside of Guesty, you need to record it to ensure the reservation's payments are accurate and up to date. Sometimes, you might need to edit the recorded payment details. Follow these steps to make the necessary changes. First, sign in to your Guesty account. In the top navigation bar, click the Mode selector and choose Operations Mode. Next, click on Reservations. Use the filters above the table to display the relevant reservations. You can also use the columns on the right to help you narrow the search even more. Once you've found the reservation, click on it. Click the reservation's payout status at the top of the page. In the Payment section, find the payment you need to edit. It will say, Recorded Payment under Transaction Type. At the right end of the row, click Actions and select Edit Payment. Note that this option will not be available if the payment is in a locked accounting period. In the pop-up window, make the necessary changes. Let's say you mistakenly recorded a $100 cash payment, but it was actually a different amount or payment method. You can update these details accordingly. Just select the correct method and record your changes. And that's it. Your payment details are now updated. If you want to learn more, feel free to continue browsing our Help Center. Thanks for watching.